To the rescue nga kaagad si former President and coup plot specialist Gloria Macapagal Arroyo kay Pionatic VP Sara Duterte. Heto na nga si Hello Garci Lady kasama si Piona kahapon sa isang exhibit sa Davao City. And if you think Gloria was there just for the coffee table book signing and the event, then you must be mistaken.
In a democracy governed by the rule of law, such mechanisms should neither be personal nor political theater.
Yep, here she is, may pa-speech pa para sa kanyang mga colleagues sa Kongreso na maghinay-hinay daw sa impeachment laban sa kanyang student na si Piona.
It is important that those in charge conduct the proceedings with sobriety, fairness, and fidelity to the law, free from prejudice, and mindful that institutions must be stronger than momentary passions.
At eto naman si Piona na tila gustong sundan ang mga yapak ng kanyang Hello Garci mentor. Something fishy, sabi nga ng iba.
Former President Arroyo is here, who is also a former Vice President. And she's the only person in this room who has held both posts. And I learned from the pop-up exhibit, your father and you are the only two individuals in our country that held both the VP and President positions.
Lalo na't alam natin na everything is symbolic. Lalo na tong eksenang ito na kung saan mariing tinitigan ng dalawang mag-sister in crime ang gallery ni former Vice President Leni Robredo. What was the Hello Garci Lady thinking? That Robredo is next in their kill list?
Her presence today is not ceremonial. It is testimony.
But anyway, eto naman si former Aquino Secretary Ronald Llamas na diretsahang sinabing mga bata ni Gloria ang mga handler ng 18 Marites. Ex-Marines.
Parang nakikita ko yung kamay ni GMA dahil puro mga tao niya yung mga nakikita ko nun, si Mike Defensor, si Esperon, no? So mga GMA people yon. Hindi ko sinasabing si GMA kung i-connect mo na yung dotted lines, bakit nandun si Mike Defensor na wala daw siyang kinalaman, tumulong lang daw siya.
If that's true, di natin alam kung totoo nga na sa GMA, anong advantage nun? Anong mapapala niya dun?
Well, kalyado ni GMA si Sara. Diba? Yun yung sabi nga ni Sara dati, yun yung kanyang mentor. Diba nung nagalit si Sara, yung tinawag niyang tambaluslos?
Yes, yes.
Martin Romualdez. Over yun dun sa pagtanggal ni Speaker Martin Romualdez kay GMA as senior deputy speaker.